with the chance. Oh, and he's hit the crossbar. It's so cruel, but it's 1-0 here and 3-0 on aggregate. They haven't made it. Once again, they've been beaten at the last gasp.
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Right, here we go then. So how long have we been in France for?
When did the tournament start? I can't remember now.